70% of recruiters look their candidates up on LinkedIn before giving the offer letter. Currently, I have over 80 endorsements on LinkedIn for my top skills. Endorsements are when someone approves or supports your skills on LinkedIn. Getting your skills endorsed on LinkedIn is a crucial method to build credibility and authority on LinkedIn. You can add up to 50 skills on LinkedIn. However, I would request you to not add more than 10 or 15 skills because when a recruiter or anybody else visits your profile, they do not have the time to scroll through your profile and read all the 50 skills that you have mentioned. Pay attention to quality over quantity. Ensure that all the 10 or 15 skills that you add to your profile are relevant and close to your role. We cannot go beyond in this video until you understand the number of skills that you need to add on your profile along with the relevancy of them. If a potential recruiter looks at your profile, they should be able to know your expertise at a glance. You should help them make a decision to hire you. In this training, first let me show you where on LinkedIn you can have someone endorse your skills, followed by how you can ask people to endorse your skills on LinkedIn. In order for someone to endorse your skills, you need to be connected with that person. So if you're not yet connected, then please send a connection request to the person who you have planned to ask for a skill endorsement. Here is the profile of one of my LinkedIn connections. I'll have to scroll way down to find the skills section. Then I would have to click on show all skills, post which I will have to click on these endorse buttons. After I click on the endorse buttons, my endorsement will now get added to their profile. Anyone visiting this person's profile would be able to see my endorsements. If you are serious about your career and need some help to write your resume with respect to the profile summary, skills, work experience, etc., then I share all of this in the Breakthrough Resume course. This is a recorded training that you can take at your preferred time and pace. You can grab this course from the link given in the description box below. Let me show you how the skill endorsement would look like on a profile. I've scrolled down to the skills section on my profile. Now you're seeing this show all 5 details or show all 4 details because I have added these skills for more than one company that I've worked for. When you click on this option, then you see the companies I have exercised these skills in. Now I have got a total of 88 endorsements for the career development coaching skill. You may click on any of these, then it will show you further details as to who has endorsed these skills. Skill endorsements are different from LinkedIn recommendations. In a LinkedIn recommendation, somebody has to write a few lines appreciating your work, whereas a skill endorsement is when someone clicks the endorse button and gives you their endorsement or approval of that particular skill. Before asking for skill endorsements, ensure that you have not only updated your profile but also optimized it well. Nobody likes to deal with an incomplete profile, especially when it comes to approving others' work and appreciating them for it. If you want to know more about how to get LinkedIn recommendations, build a LinkedIn profile, write an enticing LinkedIn headline, or get some amazing LinkedIn banner ideas, then I have created a playlist for you. So go ahead and watch this playlist after you're done watching this training. I will leave a link of this playlist in the description box below and also at the end of this training. Now, let us talk about how you can ask people to endorse you. Now, since you're a corporate professional, you can start by asking for skill endorsements at work. Whenever you see your manager, stakeholders, co-workers happy with your work, then right away go ahead and ask them to endorse you on LinkedIn. You can say, thank you so much for appreciating my work. Would you like to endorse my skills on LinkedIn, please? Most often, they may not know where on LinkedIn they need to go to in order to endorse your skills. So please show them the path to endorse your skills patiently. They need to log in from their ID to do this. Also, they can do this from their mobile phone if they already have a LinkedIn app or even through the laptop. Another way to get LinkedIn skill endorsements is to do this for others first and then asking them to return the favor for you. And that is perfectly okay. You can say, hey Kiran, I have endorsed all your skills on LinkedIn. If it pleases you, then request you to endorse my skills as well. Don't be pushy or clingy. Remind them once if they have forgotten, but not more than that. We don't want to irritate people. Coming to the number of endorsements you should have, the more the better. You may be starting from scratch and that is okay. In the beginning, when you start, you may just land up with only 5 endorsements. That is also fine. All good things take time. Be consistent in your efforts. Gather these skill endorsements throughout your career and not just when you're looking to change your jobs. Since I'm a content creator on LinkedIn as well, most of my endorsements have come from people who follow me. They read my post, they extract value from it. They also leave a like or comment and would have become an ardent fan before they go ahead and give me the LinkedIn skill endorsements. When someone endorses you, thank them and appreciate them. This ensures that you have a positive relationship going on between both of you. You can say, "Thank you for endorsing my skills in digital marketing and project management. Your support is greatly appreciated." Getting LinkedIn endorsements doesn't have to be challenging. You can start by optimizing your profile, network, ask for endorsements, offer endorsements in return, maintain an active LinkedIn profile, and all these activities will help you build credibility significantly on LinkedIn. If you are serious about your career and are ready to kickstart your job search process, then grab the Breakthrough Resume course linked in the description box below. Again, it is a recorded training that you can take at your preferred time and pace. So far in this training, you have learned where on LinkedIn you need to go to have someone endorse your skills. Also, you have learned how to ask people for skill endorsements. Go ahead and endorse my skills on LinkedIn if you found this video helpful. Also, don't forget to send me a connection request before you do that. I understand that transforming your career could be long and frustrating, which is why I want you to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell because I have some awesome videos lined up for you. If you want to know more about how to create an enticing LinkedIn headline, get some LinkedIn banner ideas, build LinkedIn profile, and how to get recommendations on LinkedIn, then watch this playlist next on LinkedIn profile optimization. Thank you for watching this training and I will see you in this one next. Bye bye.